If you've been looking into Palo, YouTube AI assistant, this is the video you need to watch before using it. I've tested hundreds of AI tools, and Palo is one of the most interesting YouTube-focused AI assistants I've seen. Stick around, because there are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know, especially if you're serious about growing your channel. You can try Palo completely free from the first link in the description below, but don't skip ahead just yet. There's a major feature near the end of this video that nobody's talking about, and it could be the difference between flatlining views and your next big viral hit. Now, Palo is designed to do one thing incredibly well: help YouTubers streamline their content strategy using AI. It doesn't just throw keyword suggestions at you, it analyzes your entire channel, your audience behavior, and trending data across YouTube to recommend what type of video you should actually make. Next, based on what's working. This isn't just SEO fluff either. Palo uses real engagement signals from top-performing videos in your niche to tell you, here's a title that's working, here's the kind of thumbnail that grabs attention, and here's what your audience is most likely to click on next. That's way more powerful than generic topic tools or even TubeBuddy if you ask me. The second thing, Palo writes scripts for you, but unlike ChatGPT or Jasper, Palo is YouTube native. It writes in the exact tone that keeps retention high. You're not pasting in weird prompts, you just tell it your topic and you get a full hook, structure, and even suggestions for on-screen elements, all optimized for YouTube's algorithm. Third, titles and thumbnails. Palo doesn't just brainstorm ideas. It gives you data-backed headline variations that mimic what's going viral in your niche right now. And for thumbnails, it even gives visual suggestions based on what's been getting the most CTRs across channels similar to yours. Fourth, if you're a data nerd, you'll love this. Palo gives you a content opportunity score that ranks which ideas are most likely to perform well before you even hit record. That's a game changer if you're tired of guessing and hoping something sticks. Fifth, and this is underrated, it lets you spy on what's actually working for your competitors. Not just what they uploaded, but how their content is trending week by week. You get clarity on whether a video blew up or flopped and why, based on structure, keywords, and engagement patterns. Sixth, Palo isn't bloated. The interface is clean, focused, and built for creators who want results, not just dashboards. You don't need to be tech-savvy to get value from it. Within 5 minutes, you're already getting strategic recommendations tailored to your channel. And finally, this is what impressed me the most, it evolves with your content. As your channel grows, Palo refines its suggestions in real time. So you're not getting beginner-level tips forever. It adapts to how your audience is responding, like a personal YouTube strategist in your back pocket. If you're a creator, especially in your first 1,000 to 10,000 subs, Palo might save you hundreds of hours trying to figure out what content to make, how to make it, and how to actually grow. Again, the software is completely free to try from the first link below, and I highly recommend checking it out before they change the pricing. And if you're serious about using AI tools to scale your content, I've listed my top recommended AI tools. After trying over 1,000 of them in the description too, most of them also have free trials, so explore them while you can.